Think November's too late to start a garden? Think again. Most people pack up their tools and wait for spring, but that's a missed opportunity. Right now, the soil offers a unique window, one that opens only once a year. Use the coming cold to your advantage, setting the stage for a productive spring and winter harvest. This isn't just about a head start, it's about unlocking flavors and growth cycles you can't get any other time. The cool, moist earth is a perfect nursery for certain crops, letting them root before the deep freeze and burst to life in spring. Miss it, and you'll spend more on food you could have grown yourself. Today I'm revealing 20 crops you can plant this November, including one that could give you a tenfold return by next summer. Let's turn this overlooked month into your most strategic gardening season. Plant a single clove of garlic now, and by next summer you'll harvest a full bulb with 10 or more cloves. That's a 10 times return. Kale gets sweeter after a frost, providing nutritious greens for your family all winter. Spinach keeps producing new leaves through light snows, giving you fresh salads when other greens are gone. Cold weather intensifies Swiss chard's colors and flavor, a beautiful, delicious winter crop. Broccoli that matures in the cold develops a sweeter, more complex taste and unbeatable crispness. It's worth the wait. Plant cabbage now for dense, hearty heads that store for months, your staple food long after harvest. One Brussels sprout stalk yields dozens of mini heads, a vertical garden standout for fall. Radishes go from seed to harvest in as little as 20 to 30 days, while their roots help aerate your soil. Beets offer a dual harvest: snip the greens early, then wait for sweet roots to develop underground. Like beets, turnips give you quick greens and later tender roots for a substantial harvest. Plant onion sets now for green onions all winter, or let some mature into full bulbs for summer. Maximize your onion patch. Mosh, or corn salad, survives under snow, ready for harvest when everything else has quit. Miner's lettuce thrives in cool, shady spots, providing a mild, succulent green when others struggle. Arugula's peppery flavor shines in fall's cool, dim conditions. No bitterness, no bolting. Mustard greens are cold hardy and add a spicy kick to winter meals. A little goes a long way. Collard greens are packed with nutrients and get even tastier after a frost. They're among the most reliable winter greens. Fall-planted carrots turn starches into sugars in cold soil, making them extra sweet and crisp. Parsnips need frost to develop their signature sweet, nutty flavor. Don't miss out. Certain lettuce varieties thrive in low light and cold, giving you fresh salads deep into winter. Tatsoi and Mizuna are fast-growing, extremely cold-tolerant greens, even surviving being frozen solid. That's 20 crops that turn November into a powerful beginning. You're setting up a smarter garden by working with the seasons. Now here's the bonus tip most gardeners get wrong. After planting, stop watering. Cold soil holds moisture. It doesn't evaporate like in summer. Overwatering creates a soggy, airless environment that can rot seeds and suffocate roots. Trust the season. Let fall rains and dew do the work. The soil will stay just moist enough for germination and strong roots. Less water means stronger roots and healthier plants. Sometimes the best gardening secret is knowing when to do nothing at all. Trust nature, and your garden will thrive. Keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.